Welcome to the From the Press Box Seal of Approval. Today we're taking a look at Taiwan Jones. The Michigan State product stands at 6'3". He weighed in at 245, and at the combine he ran a 4.95 in the 40 and cranked out 19 reps on the bench. He's a classic downhill thumper at linebacker. His specialty is getting through traffic and making his presence felt in the running game. One thing I really like when I watch him on tape is how active he is around the line of scrimmage, and he can quickly get downhill. Jones was just a leader for this Spartan defense. He was regularly seen getting his teammates lined up correctly, and those are the things you like to see from an inside linebacker. His strength is just the way that he can make his way into the backfield on running plays, but his weakness comes in the passing game, which can be a bit worrisome. And that's one of the reasons why, while he was at Michigan State, they just sent him blitzing up the A-gap very often, and they just stuck to what he's good at. To me, Jones reminds me a lot of David Harris. Like the Jets standout inside linebacker, his value really lies in his physicality, especially as a run stuffer. I think Jones could find a good fit in a 3-4 defense as a two-down thumper in the NFL. Jones should be a solid day 3 selection, and that's why he's going to get the FTP seal of approval.